Students, good afternoon. Welcome to your VVPS e-learning computer class. Students, yesterday I was explained few things like communication, then communication tools, then net, and then web. These four topics yesterday I was explained class. Every topic is clear. So today I am explaining next topics like client, server. Today client, server, then website, web page, and home page. These topics we will understand today. Is it clear, class? So one by one I am explaining each. You will listen very carefully. First, server. First, server. Class, first question, what is server? Server is the main computer. Server is the main computer which provides data to other computer. Which provides data to other computers. Server is clear? So class, we can understand according to this, server serves the data. Server serves the data on LAN. On LAN means local area network. LAN means local area network, or on WAN, wide area network. Local area network, and this is wide area network. Class, again I am repeating, server serves the data. Server serves the data to the system on LAN or WAN. LAN or WAN, over the internet. Over LAN or WAN, over the internet. Internet. Is it clear? Next thing, class, most of information that we will access through the internet is stored in the computer that are known as server. Again I am repeating, listen class, most of information that we will access through the internet is stored on the computers that we known as server. Is it clear? Next topic, class, client. Next topic is client. Client. Class, what is client? Is it clear? What is client? understand a client is a computer or computer program. Client is a computer or computer program which known how to communicate with a particular type of server. Clear? Which known as how to communicate with a particular type of server. Is it clear? So in other way we will understand client computer, those are connected with the server. Client computers, those are connected with the server. Server is called client. It means client. Client takes the permission from the server. Client takes the permission from the server. Example, according to this picture, class, we will understand, according to this picture, we will understand client and server. Class, these are computers. This means all types of computers are connected with this. So this is called server. This is server computer, means main computer. And all computers, those are connected with the server, is called client. This is the client. Number 1, client. Number 2, client. Number 3, client. Number 4. It means through this server, 4 types of clients are connected. 4 clients are connected. Is it clear, class? Any problem? Now, next topic, class. Next topic, website. What is website, class? Question is, what is website? Collection of web pages. Collection of web pages are called website. Understood? Collection of web pages are called website. Is it clear, class? Website is a web server. Website is a web server. First, collection of website, web page. Collection of web pages are called website, and website is a web server or a part of web server. It is a web server or part of a web server. Next thing, class. Next, web page. What is web page, class? Listen, web page. A web page is an individual HTML document. It is an individual HTML document. Web page is an individual HTML document. Is it clear, class? Next thing, I am repeating again, web page is an individual HTML document. In other way, class, we can say internet pages are called internet pages are called web page. Internet pages are called web page. So, by collection of these internet pages, or web pages are called website. Is it clear? Website and web page. Next topic, class. Next topic is home page. What is home page? So, question is, what is home page, class? First page of home page is the first page of any website. First page of any website is called home page. Is it clear? It is a web page that your browser, it is a web page, means home page is a web page that your browsers open automatically, that opens your browser automatically. Is it clear? Automatically on your screen, means when you are open your browser, class, it can be opened in first automatically. Is it clear? So we can say that home page is the first page of any website. Is it clear, class? Yes. Class is over.